Today we will be discussing about the Python libraries, packages and modules. In the previous video we have discussed about the functions, how to create a functions in the Python. So let's get started. So before we start, the Python libraries will understand the concept of a Python libraries. Let's understand that what do you mean by modularization of a Python program. So what we call the Python program. See, if I talk about that, it is a kind of a hierarchy which actually works in a Python module. First we have a framework. In a framework we have many libraries. That means it is a kind of a workspace through which we can work. So a framework can have many library in turn can have many packages, and packages can have further some kind of modules. So I can say this thing, the definition, that module is nothing but a file. What is module? Module is nothing but a file which contains multiple declarations of the function's definition, the classes, the statements, the variables, and when we store a multiple modules in one file, it becomes package, and multiple package forms a library, and multiple library forms a framework. But I have told you children, here I have started from the bottom line. I have started from the module. I am starting from the module. I am saying this thing, that module is a file which contains a declaration or the definitions of certain functions, statements, classes, variables, objects, whereas package is a collection of many modules, and multiple packages. Library consists of multiple packages and framework consists of multiple libraries. So I hope you understand the framework of this thing, that how these three things will go side by side. Don't get confused into it, that what is the library and packages. Some students have this kind of a idea that ma'am, they are same. Yes, they are same, but up to some extent, not exactly, right? So following terms must be clear while developing any Python program or project. That first one is module, second one package, third one library, and fourth is a framework. So now, what is module? I again said that it is a file which contains Python functions, global variable, classes, etc. It is nothing but a .py file. Listen, every important term which I am talking here about, every package, every module, every library has an extension .py. So let's create here. It has created in the video or in the screen, you can see that first user module has been created. You having one functions which is known as hello underscore message. User underscore name is the name or is the argument which is passed to it. In this module I have made only one function. So what is the way of using this module in the program? It is the important term. The term is import. You all know the term is import. Import is a kind of a keyword which can be used to call the user defined or the built-in modules. Here import user model is a kind of a call to the user defined module, that is user module. And then to use the function defined in this module, I have to use dot operator. Just see user module dot hello underscore message. So this is the way how we use the module in the program. Now, how to import module in the Python? This is an important thing which you all know, and you should note it down somewhere, that Python module can be accessed in any of the following way. First one is simply using the import statement. This is the default statement, or this is the basic statement which we use to call or to use the built-in modules and the user defined modules. That is Python import statement, import math and then print. But the main thing is that how to use the function of that module. For example, I have many functions in the math module, like square root, sine, cos, tan, okay, cube root. So use those function, I have to write the name of the module and dot operator, and then after that I have to call the particular function, right? So we can also rename our module, as we do have a nickname, so we can provide a kind of a nicknames to our modules, and we can use the keyword as, suppose we have written import math, so I have renamed it with empty. I have renamed with empty, so I can replace the word math with empty now. Third point, Python from import statement. We can also use this statement. This is also correct in the program, that from math import pow. Pow is what? It is a function which is declared or defined in the module math. But when we are using this thing, there is no need to write the dot operator. And then to import all the names or all the functions, we can use from math import star. So using this, we can use all the functions which is present in this particular thing. Then we have a very important thing, that is Python libraries, that how to use these kind of libraries in the program. As I have already told you that module is a container of packages. That means a package can contain many modules. A package can contain many modules. I'm repeating this line. A package contains module, right? So using package, it is a namespace that contains multiple packages or module. It is a directory which contains a special file underscore init underscore dot py. So how we can differentiate between a module and a package? In module, we never define underscore init underscore dot py, but in a package, we do define this special file which is known as underscore init underscore dot py. For example, now in this package, I have created two sub packages. First one is a rectangle and then third one is a circle. So first one, top level package, contains only one file, that is dot init underscore py, and then rectangle. In rectangle, we have created two functions, area underscore rectangle, perimeter underscore rectangle, and in circle we have created two functions. But this particular file underscore init underscore py, this is a self-made. The moment you save any new file or a new program with this file, this is created in this way. So in the next video, I will do the practical of this thing, that how to create a module and how to create the package, right? Then we have Python libraries. Libraries is a broader term for packages and modules. So collection of various packages consist of library. There is no difference between package and a Python library. A library is a loosely to describe the collection of core module. Standard library of a Python language comes bundled with core Python distribution are the collection of exact syntax, token semantics of the Python language. The Python standard list down approx more than 200 such core libraries. So you can say this thing, the library is a collection of packages. So to create a library, this is the way how we create the library. We'll define the function in the module and then call the function. So this also I will do the practical of this thing and then tell you that how to create the library of Python. So framework about the Django, this is the another chapter which we will be discussing up in the later on videos or the later on sessions. Thank you.